Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a blog page on Squarespace step by step. First, you'll need to open the Pages panel. In the left sidebar of your editor, you'll see the Pages option. Click on Pages. The panel will open up and you'll see your site's navigation structure laid out with sections like Main Navigation and Not Linked. Next, look for the plus icon. You'll find it next to Main Navigation. Click that plus icon. A pop-up menu will appear showing you different page types you can add. In that pop-up menu, look for a section called Showcase. Under the Showcase section, you'll see an option labeled Blog. Click on Blog. A new screen will appear showing you several different blog layout options. You'll see 4 different layout templates displayed in the center of your screen. Click on the layout that looks best to you. You can change this later. After you select your layout, a page title field will appear on your screen. Click into that field and type whatever you want to call your blog. Once you've typed your title, press Enter. Your new blog page will now appear in the Pages panel. Squarespace automatically includes a few pre-populated sample blog posts on new blogs that you can delete later when you start adding your own content. Now, depending on where you clicked the plus icon earlier, your blog might be in Main Navigation already, or it might be in the Not Linked section. If it's already in Main Navigation, you're all set and it's visible on your site. But if it's in the Not Linked section, you can leave it there until you're ready to make the blog public, or you can move it to Main Navigation right now. To move it, click and hold on your blog page in the Not Linked section, then drag it upward into your Main Navigation area. When you release it there, your blog will appear in your site's Main Navigation menu where visitors can find it. Once your blog page is set up, you can customize it further by clicking the gear icon next to the blog page in the Pages panel. This opens the blog settings where you can adjust things like posts per page and SEO settings. To create your first blog post, click on your blog page in the Pages panel to open the blog manager, then click the plus icon. New posts are saved as drafts by default, so nothing goes live until you publish it. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.